Good morning. We will start with session 7, light, reflection and refraction. We will start with the numericals. Yesterday we completed in-text numericals and today we will finish with the worked example numericals. And always I want you to remind that whenever we start with these type of sums, I always want you all to draw a small rough figure for your clarification. That gives you a clear picture on sign convention about u, v, about anything. It could be of image distance, object distance, height of the image, height of the object and the focal length also. First of all, right, I'll start from numbering 1, 2 onwards. You can just continue the question numbers. It is a convex mirror. So, whenever you have, now it's a convex mirror, have a small rough figure for a convex mirror. So, this is rough, that means this is f and this is curvature. Now, this will be my u and this will be my v. That's enough. Now, I'm not telling you to keep it on focus, on 2f, on f, whatever it is. Just one rough thing to understand your u, v and f. That's more than enough. Now, write down. A convex mirror used for a rear view of an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. 3.00 is nothing but 3 meter. Radius of curvature. So, f is half the radius of curvature. We know that, right? 3 by 2, that is nothing but 1.5 meter. Then, if a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, from the mirror, this is pole, from the mirror 5 meter, it is located. Now, from the mirror, right, so u is negative. Find the position, nature and size of the image. V is equal to this. Position we found out. Now to find the nature and size of the image, we can just understand the size because height of the image, height of the object is not mentioned, children. So height of the image can't be found out. Remember that always. We can check the nature of the image by magnification. Of course, it is a convex. So it has to be virtual and erect only. Look at our thing. It's virtual and erect, we know that. But still we can't write it until we find the magnification, right? Let's start accordingly. Mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Substitute 1 upon 1.5 plus what is v? That is what you have to find out. Plus as it is. What is u? 5. Minus 5 I will write. Okay. Still, one more step if you want me to add, I can write this like this. Is equal to 1 by v. This minus will be written like this, children. Always remember. Now it's very clear. Now transpose it this side. 1 upon 1.5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by v. 5 and 1.5 LCM, 1 by b is equal to 15 and 5 LCM. 15 and 5 LCM is 15. That is here 1.5. 1.5 into 1. 1 plus 5 3s are 5 into 0.3. 0.3. 1 by b is equal to 1.3 divided by 1 by 15. So reciprocal. V is equal to 15 by 13. Therefore, the value of V is 1.15 meter. Now, value of V is plus or minus? It is plus. You need not mention plus. If nothing is written, we understand plus. See there, it is this side. So, it is plus. As soon as you write the V value, see the unit meters, give the conclusion. The image is 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. Right? This much we have got. Nature. M is equal to height of the image. Always the formula has to be written like this. That is nothing but equal to minus V by U. So magnification is equal to height of image and object will not come into picture only. because we don't have anything about height given. So leave that. U and V will consider. So V is how much? Formula in minus 1.15 divided by, now children you tell me, magnification should be in plus or minus here. Magnification should be in plus because it is on the top. Height of this is this. So M is equal to U. What is U? Minus 5. So magnification is equal to, so we have a decimal, so this will be 0.23. Minus and minus will get cancelled, so it is in plus. See, whenever it is in plus, you did not mention plus, it is understood that. We know that in mathematics we don't usually write. Therefore, with that respect, magnification will have no unit because it is a factor, what we compare. So now you can give a conclusion that nature of the image is virtual and erect, and the image is 0.23 times smaller than the given image, given object. True, no? It's a rear view mirror. How should be the image magnification in the rear view mirror? It should be bigger than the object size. You see the vehicle coming back in your rear view mirror, right? So what is the size what you see? With what factors it is reduced? You see a smaller one. You will not see that big truck what actually you can see. Image is actually diminished, smaller one. That is what we have got as a magnification. The conclusion given here is the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by a factor of 0.23. 0.23 with respect to what? With respect to the size of the object. Very clear on this? Let's move to the next one. Please give the conclusion, children. It's given in the book. Same thing you get right. We'll move to the next sum. Yeah, here one more thing I did not mention. Focal length I did not say anything. I just wrote 1.5 plus or minus plus this side. So all the things are given in your rough diagram, the sign conventions here. That's why it's very important. See, main thing you will solve the sums also correctly. But if you go wrong with the sign conventions about U, V and F, the whole thing is gone wrong. The next one, second one. No, they are still not mentioned. Let's go on writing the given. An object 4 centimeter in size. So height of the object is equal to 4 centimeter in size. Placed at 25 centimeter. Placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So 25 centimeter. Object is always placed to this side, right? Anything. So U is always minus. What type of a mirror it is? It's a concave. Let's have a small. So this is concave. So this will be your U. This will be your F. This will be your C, I will write, and this will be your V. Very clear? And this is your O. See, don't worry to how big object and image you draw and where you draw. Okay, that's none of your thing because they have not asked us to draw a ray diagram. This is for sign convention, children. Again, U is minus 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length, which focus do we use? We use this focus when the rays pass and cut at focus, right? Reflect back from the focus. That means focus is negative. Very clear here, this one also. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? At what distance should I place a screen? V. So that I will get a sharp, crisp image. Next part. Also find the nature and size of the image. Also find the nature and size of the images. Height of the image also I have to find. That's all they have given here. So according to this, let us start writing. Mirror formula, what you have to use here. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Start substituting. 1 by F is minus 15 is equal to 1 by V as it is plus 1 upon minus 25. Okay, minus I'll write here first. Then as per this, we will make this minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 25. Okay. Now shift this side. So this is minus 1 by 15. Minus will go this side. Plus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to 15 and 25 LCM will be 75. So 15 5s are 25 3s are minus 5 plus 3. Very clear? 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 75. So V is equal to minus 75 by 2. See, number I am not changing. Minus is for the whole number, children. Remember that. Minus is not only for 2. I need not teach you on this again, which you all know. So V is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 centimeter. Centimeter, right? Minus. Is V minus? Is it correct? Yes, it is correct because V is here only. This side it has to be minus. Done. But while answering it in the concluding form, you need not say that as minus. The concluding can be, the screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter from the mirror. Mention that. The image formed is real and inverted. The line is mentioned, so I am not writing it, but please write that here. The screen and the nature is real and inverted. Now the last part, what you have to find? They have asked you to find here as M is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object, that is equal to minus V by U. Can we use this formula? Yes. We have to find height of the image. So height of the image divided by height of the object is given as 4 centimeter is equal to minus in the formula as it is here minus 37.5 divided by, see minus in the formula, children, minus is not for the V, it's in the formula. V value you write whatever it is. Then next, what value do you have here? U. Where is it? U value is minus 25. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. Still you want to make simple, you can write it like this 75 by 2. See, I'll just show you. Or height of the image divided by this is equal to minus 75 by 2 divided by minus 25. So height of the image is equal to by 4. Minus minus, I'll consider that as plus, or keep one minus as it is. This minus and this minus will get cancelled. 75 by 2 into 1 by 25. 25 ones are 25 3s are. Okay. Height of the image is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are. Height of the image is equal to minus 6 centimeter. I got minus answer. Is that correct? Let me see. It has to be minus? Yes. Why? It is below the principal axis. Anything drawn perpendicular below the principal axis is minus. Did you understand why I took 75 by 2 instead of 37.5, children? It's very easy for calculation for me rather than that. See, both are correct. Both the ways you get same answer. Just that will be much easier for me in calculation. Is this part very clear? Be very careful with this minus sign and this minus sign. This minus is in the formula. So keep the conclusion. So height of the image is 6 centimeter. That's all, enough. Height of the, that's all. Minus 6 centimeter, mention it while writing. Why it is minus? We know that. Very clear on this? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Come to page number 182. page number 182. Third one, it's on the concave lens. A concave lens has a focal length. You want me to draw one concave here? Let's do that. So this is F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. This is the object, this is the image, right? This is how you do it for concave. Object and image on the same side. That's enough. I will write this as U, I will write this as V. More than enough for us to understand about the ray diagram, understand about the sign conventions for the numerical. A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15, children. For concave, the focus which is used, this side is used where we get it. So that is minus. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? At what distance it should be placed so that it forms the image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Image is also there, object is also there, minus. Okay? And also find the magnification produced by the lens. A very direct question what they have asked. But if you don't understand this minus sign, your sum is wrong. Very clear about the concept what I have written? Substitute now. Lens formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by v. V is minus 10 minus 1 by u. U is to be as it is. So we will rewrite this as 1 minus 1 by 15 is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by u, right? We will shift this side now. Minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by u. Keep that minus as it is. Later we can shift it. 15 and 10 LCM will be 30. Minus 1 by u is equal to 30. So 15 2s are 10 3s are. So this is minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 by u is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 30. Therefore minus u is equal to 30. U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Should u be minus, children? Yes, u always should be minus. Did we get minus answer? See, you can't get plus answer and tell u is minus. You have to get as it is. Did we get the right answer? Yes. So, what was the question asked here? At what distance should the object be placed? So, object distance is 30. Now, let us find magnification. Magnification is equal to height of the image upon height of the object, that is nothing but v by u. So, whichever we want it, we will use. So, magnification is equal to v by u. So, what is v here? Minus 10. Tell me, magnification should come plus or minus? It has to come plus because it is above the principal axis. So, what is u? Minus 30. So, I will write here, magnification is 0.33. Yes, it goes on. First of all, the nature of this is virtual and erect, that we know. The positive side shows that the image is virtual and erect. Of course, that is the nature. The image is 0.33 times the size of the object, or the image is what you get here, n is equal to 1/3. Also, you can write 1 by 3. Or the image is 1/3 the size of the object, or the image is 0.33 times the size of the object. Very clear on this part, children? Actually, to be tell that numericals are very simple here in this. Only to write correct U, V and F is required. Let's go to the next one. Fourth one. A 2 centimeter tall object. So what is the height of the object? Let us see what type of a lens or a mirror, whatever they have mentioned. Height of the object is 2 centimeter. Is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Okay, so it is a convex lens. We understood that. Let's quickly have it. O, F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. Just draw here and draw here. That's enough. So this is U and this is V. Very clear? Okay. So a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length is positive here because we use this side of the focal length. So it is positive. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. U is equal to 15 centimeter. It is minus 15. Find the nature, position and size of the image, also its magnification. So V is to be found out, size of the image is to be found out, along with that magnification also is to be found out. Again a direct question it is. Let's start quickly with the formula what we know. Lens formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by F is 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V, which we have to find, minus 1 upon minus U is 15. First write accordingly what it is. Now this becomes plus. 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by 15. Okay, shift 15 this side. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. This is same as the previous what we had got. 15 and 10 LCM is 30. So 10 3s are 15 2s are. So this is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30. V is equal to 30 centimeter. V should be positive or negative? Positive, because it is to the other side. Done. We are done with V. Let's find the magnification part. Magnification is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. That is equal to V by U. First you see what they have asked. First we want to find height of the image. So we'll use this way. Height of the image divided by height of the object is equal to V by U. First find, then you go for magnification. Height of the image is what we have to find. Height of the object is given as 2. What is V? 30. Tell me children, answer should be here in minus or plus. First of all, when you look at this, V is below the principal axis. So height of the image what you get should be minus, right? What is U? U is minus 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. So height of the image is 2 into minus 2. Height of the image is minus 4 centimeter. Okay, it is minus 4 centimeter. Object was 2 centimeter. So what is the nature? Nature of the image is real, inverted and enlarged. You can make out from this, right? Because it is 4. It is more than the object size. Image size is more than the object size. At last you can give the conclusion once again. Magnification. Magnification what you find here is, Okay, orally tell me, what is the magnification? How much times is it magnified? Just tell me. It is magnified double times. Twice it is magnified. See, it is 2 centimeter. 2 times more it is magnified. Are you understanding my point? What I am trying to tell you here is, orally also we can answer such questions. Some questions here. Let's find the magnification. Anyone you can use. Either this or with this. V by U I will use. You can also use this too. H I by H O. That also can be done. So V is 30 and U is minus 15. Magnification is minus 2. Okay, now come to the conclusion part. So the height of the image is 4 centimeter, what you can tell, and it is magnified 2 times the size of the given object. That's all what you can write here. And the image is real and inverted. That is the nature. So the negative sign of M and N shows that, okay, not required actually. If you want, you can write it what they have given, or keep it as simple as possible what I have told you. But conclusion is must and should. Just don't leave your answer for H, I, M and whatever you get. Give the final answers to what you write. So with that we complete the worked examples. Only 4 worked examples are given. 2 for mirror and 2 for lens. Right? Then we have around 5 to 6 exercise sums which we will be doing it in the tomorrow session. Again there we have 1 or 2 mirror, lens and some sums based on power which we will be doing the tomorrow session.